poha or what you call as aulaki, then banana, elaki. Okay, elaichi. So now we give it a nice stir. Yes, give a stir. So when you give it a stir, then you next give it a nice mix.
It's like sambar and rice.
Oh.
Rama, Rama, Rameti, Rame, Rame, Manorame, Sahasranama, Tattuliyam, Ramanama, Varanane, Manojavam.